Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Delete operation in association mapping. Are you there, guys? Delete operation in association mapping. Listen, guys. Okay. In one too many association, in one too many association, if you delete, if you delete parent object, then it not only deletes, okay, parent table record. It not only deletes parent table record, but it also deletes the associated records in child table because we have taken because of cascade type dot because of cascade type dot all. Nice, boss. Okay, let's see, guys. So let's launch it. Yeah, we'll see delete operation, then we'll go to HQL joins. With that, association mapping will be over. Next, we can see Spring Data to interact with MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database software. Yes, guys. Now listen. Okay. Go to service. Go to service, guys. Come on. Public string. Okay, string. Delete by person. Delete by person. Delete by person. Delete by person. Come on. Person. Delete by person. Okay. Now go to implementation, boss. Yeah, now listen. If you are interested, you can give ID, because for deletion, you need not to know everything, right? Okay. Delete by person into person ID. I think we have taken person ID as int only, na? Okay. Into person ID. Into person ID. Okay. Let's see what we have taken integer. Let's implement it, guys. Add unimplemented methods. Okay. Now listen. Into person ID. First, you try to load the parent object. Load parent object. Load object. How to load, guys? Okay. Person. Otherwise, we'll go for option. Optional person. Optional person. Come on, guys. OPT is equal to. OPT is equal to. Tell me. Person repo dot. Person repo dot RPR repo dot. Find by ID. Find by person ID. We got it. We loaded it, guys. So when you load parent object, not only it loads parent object, it also loads associated child objects. We all know that, right? It also loads for associated child objects. If OPT dot is present, if it is present, OPT dot is present, and then what is this? Person repo dot delete. Person delete person. OPT dot get. Get means person object. Okay, get. Then what is the message I want to write? Okay. Okay. Person and his phone numbers are deleted. Person and his phone numbers are deleted. Else person not found. Else person not found. Right, guys? I'm trying to find the person. If available, I'm trying to delete, boss. Nothing. Very simple thing. Okay. Go to runner. Go to runner. Yes. Comment these guys. Right here. What is that? Delete operation. Okay. Parent to child. Delete operation parent to child. Okay, boss. Let's have a look. SOP. Sysout. Service dot delete by person. There are so many things, boss. What is our table? Person underscore O2M. Yes. What is this? Person underscore O2M. Am I right? Person underscore. Let's have a look on the table, guys. What is the table? O2M person. Fine. O2M person. O2M person. So I have a lot of tables, guys. O2M person, O2M person. I think this one. Okay. Am I right? This one only. We'll keep it pinned data. We have this one. 23, 27 is there. And O2M phone number. Yes. For 23 user, how many phone numbers are there? 2 phone numbers are there. Okay. 23, I will pass, guys. Here is my 23. Done. Run this ones. Run this ones. Everyone please observe. Yeah, listen. Trying to delete child's ones. Then it is trying to delete the parent. Did you observe that? Trying to delete the child's. Then trying to delete the parent. But before that, it is trying to empty the foreign key column of that particular person. Person underscore ID is the foreign key column. It's trying to empty because first it is cutting the relationship, guys. After cutting the relationship, deleting the childs, then deleting the parent. Did you notice that? So ultimately here 23 gone. Here 2 phone numbers of 23 gone. The 2 phone numbers of 23 gone. I hope you noticed it, guys. Okay, fine. I hope you understood that point, guys. Okay. So ultimately, what should I give? I person message. Okay, in service IMPL class. Okay, in service IMPL class. Yes, boss. Right. This is the main code, guys. This is the main code. Now listen. This is very one more. What is orphan record, guys? Yes. Deleting only childs of a parent. I don't want to delete a parent. I want to delete only childs of a parent. Deleting only childs of a parent. In one to many association. I don't want to delete the user. I want to just delete the phone numbers of a user. One to many association. Okay. Tell me what should I do? Tell me what should I do? Right. I will load the parent. Okay. I will get the parent object. Come on. No, don't remove the cascade. I will get a parent object having child object. From parent object, I will get the child objects. Come on. Okay. Using phone repo dot. Okay. Using phone repo, I will try to delete the collection. I will try to delete the entire collection of childs, guys. Okay, fine. Let's see. I will pass collection in the delete method. Was I'll try to pass collection in the delete method, or I'll try to remove from the collection. Anything you do in the collection, okay, anything you do on the collection, it will reflect to that. Okay. Well, let's see this, how to design that. Okay. In that process, you will get some special records called orphan records. That's very interesting. Everyone, please focus. Public string delete phone numbers of a person. Phone numbers, all phone numbers of a person. All phone numbers of a person. Okay. Into person ID. This is my ultimate method, guys. Listen. Delete all phone numbers of a person. Right. Load parent object. How to load, guys? Option, optional, OPT. OPT. Earlier, I used to show this a lot in Hibernate. First time I'm trying in Spring Data JPA. Everyone, please focus. So there's a concept called orphan record, how to delete orphan records. Why orphan record comes and how to even delete orphan record, I'm trying to show that. Person repo dot find by ID. Person ID. Okay. Yes, we got it, guys. If OPT dot present, if OPT dot is present, okay, load, get all childs of a parent. All childs of a parent. Yes, guys. Tell me, guys. Set phone number. Set phone number childs is equal to. Set phone number childs is equal to OPT dot get contact details. Okay, I'm trying to get all childs of a parent. Delete all childs. Delete all childs. Okay, now listen. Childs dot remove all. Childs dot remove all childs. Yeah. Childs dot remove all childs. Array, if you try to remove from the collection in a loaded environment, ultimately, come on, guys, it will reflect in the database also. Let's try this. If it is not working, then we will go for phone repo. Okay, if it is not happening, then we'll go for phone repo. Yes, guys. Return. Okay. Because this collection is also in synchronization with the table records, guys. So anything you do on the collection, it will also reflect on the database. Okay. All phone numbers of a. All phone numbers of a. Otherwise, you can do like this. Child's dot size. Child's dot size. Phone numbers of person ID person are deleted. Person ID person are deleted. Got the was person ID person are deleted. Here person not found. person ID, person not found. Person ID, person not found. Okay, guys. Now listen. Association test runner. Sysout service dot delete all phone numbers of a person. 27. What is that? 27. 27 is person. He is having two phone numbers. Are you noticing it, guys? Okay. Now, association test runner. Okay, guys. Loaded, zero phone numbers of a person are deleted. Oh, zero phone numbers are there. Say refresh, no effect. So refresh. Okay, now in Hibernate in transaction, if you do anything on the collection, it also reflects on what? Come on, guys. Okay, it also reflects on what? Associated child object. But since here a transaction is not there in our control, since here a transaction is not there in our control, it is not happening, guys. Okay, it's not happening. So it's actually deleting from the collection only. See, it's saying, but it is not synchronizing to table. Did you notice it? Okay, it's saying, but it is not synchronizing. But you need not to worry about transaction, guys. You need not to worry about what? Transaction. Are you getting my point? Okay. Right. Okay. Then what we do is, uh, 1 minute. We try in another angle. Phone repo dot phone repo dot phone repo dot phone repo dot delete all in batch. Delete all in batch. Okay, we have a method called what, guys? Delete all in batch IDs. No, we are not looking for that. It is also expecting IDs. It is also okay, fine. Delete all childs. No, actually, listen. In Hibernate environment, anything you do on the collection will also reflect to the table. I just tried that once. That time we begin the transaction, we commit the transaction. Are you listening my statement, boss? Right. Okay. Now listen. Phone report dot delete all child. Child's dot size phone numbers of person ID is deleted. Okay. Right. Now listen. Association test runner. Association test runner. Okay, guys. Now tell me, two phone numbers of 27 person are deleted. Two phone numbers of 27 person are deleted. Okay. These two gone. I'm happy. But what happened, guys? This is also gone. But losing this is not our intention. Okay, come on. I want to delete. Come on. I want to delete. Array, I taken different requirement here. Are you noticing it? I want to delete only phone numbers. Are you listening my statement, guys? I don't want to delete a person. I want to delete only phone numbers of a person. Are you getting my point? Okay, 1 minute. So, sir, why it is doing like this? Why it is doing like this? Array, we are trying to delete all the childs, but childs are linked with parent. Come on. We are trying to delete all the childs, but childs are linked with what? Parent. Okay. So any in the childs also we have taken cascade type is equal to cascade type dot all. Understanding? Cascade type dot all. Are you getting my point? Okay. So that's the reason this is happening. That's the reason this is happening. Come on. Right. Okay. First, let me insert the things first. We'll test this one. Sir, change cascade type to none. Array, we cannot change cascade type in the middle. Array, in the middle of the application, we cannot go and change cascade type now, boss. Are you listening my statement? Okay. So now let me insert some records first. Come here. Come here. Let's keep some records first. Okay. Records are ready. Refresh. 28 is ready. Refresh. Yes. For 28, 2 records are there. Okay. So we are ready with records, guys. We are ready with records. Let's comment this section. Come to this. Come to this. Okay. Person IMPL. See, if you say delete all, it is deleting childs, but it is also deleting associated parent. Come on. It is also deleting associated parent. Are you getting my point? But my intention is what, guys? My intention is what? Just deleting. My intention is just deleting only childs. Array, you may get that kind of requirement, right? You may get that kind of requirement. So in plain Hibernate, we begin transaction, we commit and roll back transaction. That's why in a transaction, anything you do on the collection, anything you perform on the collection, okay, it will also reflect to associated tables. But here transaction is not there in our control. So if you try to perform some operation on the collection that is sticking to collection, it is not reflecting to associated tables. We tried that. We tried to remove everything from the collection. But does it reflecting in the tables, guys? No. It is just emptying the collections here, right? Okay. But then how to achieve, how to bring that effect over here, guys? Come on. How to bring that effect here. So we got a child's now, boss. We got a child's, right? Okay. So I will make sure that these childs are not having parent. I'll make sure that these childs are not having parent. Are you getting my point? Not pointing to the parent. I hope you are listening my statement, guys. So, so I tried to do in Hibernate way. It's not happening. So that's why I'm trying to think in a different approach. Okay. So now let's see. Sales dot for each. Sales dot for each ph. Ph dot set person null. Set person null. Now tell me what happens now. Tell me what happens. Okay, whatever childs are there in the collection, from each child, I am removing the parent. I am removing the associated parent. So when associated relationship is broken, boss, I wantedly broken the relationship. Okay, so let's see. Every requirement is a challenging, boss. "27 not found." Yes, that's right. Go to the client. Now we have a 28th record. We don't have 27. We have a 28th record, guys. Okay, now tell me what happened. Since the relationship is broken, delete only on phone numbers it is happening. Did you observe that? Only on the phone numbers it is happening. Okay, guys. Now deleted. Here, not deleted. Here, not deleted. Did you observe it? Okay. Okay. Now this statement I am giving only for those students who know Cybernet association mapping. Here, no, there is no possibility of getting orphan records. That's why there is no need of working with orphan records. So that's why I'm not touching that point at all here. Actually, in plain Hibernate, what happens, if you try to delete childs of a parent, okay, it will not delete complete childs, guys. It will simply break the relation by emptying the foreign key column. So in that process, the records in the child table without foreign key column are called orphan records. To delete such orphan record, again you have to enable orphan removal is equal to true. But now not required. Now not required. Why? Because here through collection, it is not allowing to delete the child records. So we have to break the relationship and you have to explicitly delete the child record. That's why here no possibility of getting what? Orphan record. Since there is no possibility of getting orphan record, there is no need of worrying about what? Orphan record deletion separately. Everyone getting my point? So forget about that concept of orphan records in Spring Data JPA. Just follow this approach. Just follow this approach. Right. Okay. Someone is asking me, Govardhan Reddy. And we need not to do transaction management. Spring Data JPA internally take care of transaction management. There is no need of you performing transaction management separately. Is that clear? Okay. Govardhan Reddy is asking, sir, we will change cascade type. What happens? Array, while doing insert operation cascade type all, while deleting records cascade type or something, is it going to work out? Can you make end user changing cascade type in the middle of the application? When end user says, "Array, now I'm going to delete the record. Wait, I have to change cascade type." Is possible? Impossible, right? Someone asked me, "Sir, in initial only we'll change cascade type. Then what about insertion? What about insertion? End user also do insert operation, na boss? Think from end user perspective. Once application is given to end user, in the middle of the end user operation, can we change cascade type from one type to another type? Not possible, right? Okay, guys. Mr. Govardhan Reddy, you are not getting the point. In the middle of the execution, why we will change cascade type? Think from you released the project, end user is using the project. Think in that perspective, my dear. Suppose yours is a website, end user is doing all operations. Okay, in the middle of the end user activities, you will ask end user, hey, end user, wait, I have to change cascade type from all to other things. No, na. Okay. Govardhan Reddy, you are not getting the basic point, boss. We do. Array, if you there's no question of changing cascade type in the middle of the application execution. Once a cascade type is decided, that will be there and that will be the code will be released, right? Fine. Try to think like a real project developer, you will understand the situation. Okay, guys. Yes, this is the only possibility is killing the relationship and going for deletion, boss. That's it. Fine. Code in service IMPL class. Code in service IMPL class. Okay. Code in service IMPL class. Yes. Okay. What is most important point in this one? Okay. What should I say here, boss? Here, here. Load parent object. Load parent object. Get associated child objects of a parent object. Parent object. Okay. Nullify. Nullify parent object from child objects. Child objects. Then perform delete operation on child objects. Perform delete operation on child objects. Right, guys. So this is very important. After that, this line is right. Listen, guys. Like this, only association mapping can be taught for 1 month. That much subject is there in association mapping. This is only one to many bidirectional, one to one, many to many. There are a lot of concepts working with the different collections. Okay, so generally we do those things in Hibernate session. I spend 25 to 27 sessions only for association mapping. So that's why whatever possibility is there to cover, I have just covered here. But this is just introduction to association mapping. Are you understanding my point there? Okay. Hmm. Distribution jar to delete one specific phone number, also the same story. To delete specific phone number, also same story. Okay. Hmm. Right, boys. Okay. Shall we go for joins? Joins in Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA using HQL, HQL or JPQL. HQL or JPQL. Joins in Spring Data JPA using HQL or JPQL. First of all, tell me what are the joins, guys? Joins are given. Tell me, guys. Joins are given to get. Okay. Joins are given. Mr. Yasminan, Yasminan, while calling PL SQL procedures, what we have used, guys, you are you are not practicing or you are not listening classes properly. What's happening, guys? Okay. At Seshbhushan Jha, at the rate modifying we have seen while deleting, while dealing with non-select operations. Guys, did I not show any example on entity manager? While calling PL SQL procedure, what we have used, boss? People not realizing what they are learning, boss. Come on. Okay. Joins are given to get the data. To get the data from two tables, two DB tables of association. Two DB tables of association having some implicit conditions. Having some implicit conditions. Having what? Okay, implicit condition. Conditions. We can also add, okay guys, we can also add new conditions on the top of existing conditions. On the top of implicit conditions. Yes, guys. Now listen. In SQL, to work with joins, the two DB tables need not be in relationship. Okay. Whereas in HQL or JPQL, whereas in HQL or JPQL, okay, the two DB tables needs to be in relationship, needs to be in association. Okay, to apply joins. Okay, guys. HQL or JPQL supports. JPQL supports 4 types of joins. 4 types of joins, guys. Tell me, what are those joins, my dear? Okay. Inner join. Inner join. What is this? Gives common data. Gives common data of both tables. Both DB tables. Left side and right side DB tables. Next. Okay. Next, right join, also called as right outer join, or one and the same, guys. Right join, also called as right outer join. Right outer join gives common data of both DB tables and also gives uncommon data of right side DB table. Right side DB table. Array, when you keep tables side by side. Okay. Next, left join, guys. Here is my left join, left outer join. gives common data of both DB tables and also gives uncommon data of left side table. What guys? Left side table. Okay guys. Next, full join. Full join or full outer join. Full join or full outer join guys. Say paste. Ayo. Not copied. Nothing to worry. Okay. Gives both common and uncommon data of. Gives common and uncommon data of both tables, guys. Common and uncommon data of both DB tables. Everyone getting my point, guys? This is my inner join, boss. This is my right join or right outer join. Left join or left outer join. This is my full join or full outer join. Okay, guys. Okay, first of all, let me keep my tables with that kind of data, boss. I'll keep tables with that kind of data. Okay, I delete this one also. Done, boss. Go to client application. Let's comment this delete code. Let's comment this delete code, guys. I will run parent to child. Parent, oh, I think we have taken same variable names. Huh? Let me run one by one then. Okay, this will insert two. This will insert some records, guys. Okay, 29, 1. Done. Yes. Now tell me here. Save operation child to parent. Okay, I'm trying to do some child to parent. That means I will get some more records, nothing else. Done, boss. Say refresh to parents 2930. Okay. 2930, we got it, boss. Now listen. I will make sure that some uncommon data is also there. I'll make sure that some uncommon data is also there. Okay. 34. Okay. So 34. Vizag. Vizag is another city. Okay. Tell me. P name. Some Suresh. Right. Some Suresh. Okay. Here also I will try to take some uncommon data. Registration number 1020. Some phone number. Okay. Some provider Airtel. Some type office. Some type office. Come on, guys. Okay. Here I am not taking. Come on, guys. Here I am taking null value only. Say refresh. I'm taking null values. Okay, don't you think it's uncommon data? Because are remaining all are there in relationship, guys. Are you listening my statement? Okay, this 1020 is uncommon or not? Remaining all are in relationship. Okay. So now ultimately, if you print them, Done. Okay. Done, guys. This is done. Now tell me, this is uncommon data, boss. Here it is uncommon data. Here it is called uncommon data. Now listen. Generally, while teaching what? Joins, we work with Venn diagrams a lot. Okay, Venn diagram is a representation of working with joins, guys. Venn diagram. This is Venn diagram. Now listen. Okay, in this Venn diagram, common data. What are the common data, guys? What are the common things we are having? Okay. No, I think 1 minute. Small change, guys. This is uh, this is common only. This is common only. This is uncommon. Done. This is uncommon. Okay. Right, guys. Now listen. So this side OTM, OTM underscore person. This side OTM underscore person. This side OTM underscore phone number. OTM underscore phone number. Cool, guys. Now tell me here, what is the story? 29. Okay, not 29. 34. 34. 34. Vizag Suresh is uncommon data. Agree with me? Yeah, tell me what is uncommon data here. 1020. What is this? This phone number. What is the phone number, guys? 4324. 4324 3244 2. Some number. Okay. Then what? Airtel next to office. Done, boss. This is uncommon data. What is the common data now? Tell me. What is the common data? The common data now is 29, 29, 29, 1000, 1013, 1012. Okay. 29, 1013, 1013, 1012. 29, 1012. Next, 30, 1014, 30, 1015. Array, actually, complete information. I'm just writing IDs. Main IDs only I'm writing. Okay, I'm writing only main IDs, guys. Okay, right. Oh, I'll call this area as 1. I'll call this area as 1. I call this area as 2. I'll call this area as 3. This area as 3. Now listen. Uh, inner join. Inner join means what? Gives. Okay. What is that? Third area content. Third area content. Are you getting my point? I think when you read it without seeing diagram, you may feel surprising. Okay, let's shift. Let's shift here. Yes. HQL support 4 types of joins. I'll simply write A inner join, B right join, or right outer join, C left join, or left outer join. Next, D full join. Full join or full outer join. Full outer join. Nice, boss. Okay, inner join, right join, left join. Okay, gives third area content. Right join, guys. Okay, gives what, guys? 3 plus 2 area content. 3 plus 2 area content. Tell me, guys, gives what? 1 plus 2 area content. 1 plus 2 area content. Right. Full join gives 1, 2, 3 area content. 1, 2, 3 area content. 1 minute. 3 plus 2. Okay, I think 1. This is 1 plus 3. Yes, guys. Left join 1 plus 3. Understanding my point, guys? This will give common, guys. Fine, boss. Right. To work with HQL or JPQL joins, we need to keep DB tables and their entity classes in relationship. Okay, in relationship using association mapping concepts. Or it may be any association, boss. Okay. Now listen. Okay, HQL or JPQL. HQL or JPQL. HQL or JPQL query. HQL or JPQL query. Come on, guys. Query syntax. Query syntax. Parent to child, boss. Parent to child. Okay. Select. Select. Parent class properties. comma, child class properties from parent class. Okay, alias name from parent class, alias name, then join type. Come on guys, join type. Now tell me, parent class has a property. Array, parent class has a property indirectly points to child class now, boss. Has a property. Parent class has a property always points to child class. Come on. Are you listening? Parent class has a property. Join type parent class has a property. Okay. Alias name. Okay. Alias names are compulsory. Why? If parent and child both are having same property, how you differentiate them? Through alias names only we will differentiate now, boss. Simply through alias names only we differentiate, right? Okay. Right. Now listen. Parent class means parent table. Parent table or left side table. Left side table. Okay. Here child class, parent class has a property. Points to indirectly points to child table or right side table. Right side table. Okay. When it comes to this join type, here you can write all the join types, guys. Here you can write all the join types. Okay. What are the join types you can write? Inner join, right to join, left to join, full join. Inner join, right join, left join, full join. So these are the join types that we should write, boss. Okay, guys. So shall we see this one practically, guys? Tell me, are you going to get one table data or multiple tables data? Multiple tables data. Yes, na? Okay. Can we store two tables data in one entity class object? No. Two tables related records in one entity class object, guys? No. So I may give 4 or 5 properties of parent class and few properties of child class. Is there any single class we can hold both parent and child class records? Is there any entity class who can hold both parent record and child record in one object? No. So that's why when not possible, what we should go for? Scalar operation. We should feel it as a scalar operation. And it's better to go for object array or not. Recollect, it's better to go for object array concepts or not, boss. Yes. Copy this 13. Association mapping, one too many bidirectional. That is not important. What is that? JPQL. JPQL joins. What, guys? JPQL joins. JPQL joins. Let's close all this stuff once. Yes, we have closed, boss. Let's go to runner one, not runner. Service ones. Let's empty all this stuff, guys. Let's empty all these methods. Let's empty all this stuff. Yeah, it is building the project. Wait a minute. Service IMPL was service IMPL, guys. What's happening? Okay. Okay. Why red color? Okay. Now listen. It's a Gradle. Gradle means we have to give the name of the project in the settings.html. Whenever you copy paste the project in Gradle, you have to give the name of the project in settings.gradle. Don't forget that. After that, you have to say Gradle refresh once. Okay. Go for runner class, guys. Go for runner class here. Done. Let's go to repository. Phone repo. Yeah. Phone repo. Phone repo. Array, there's no ready-made method working with the joins. So we should write query manually. Okay. In any repository we can write. Okay. Now tell me. Public list object array. Okay. Fetch data using joins by parent. Fetch data using joins by parent. Come on, guys. Joins by parent. Okay, let me say, guys, here if you aren't interested, you can write additional conditions also. Additional conditions. If you are interested, you can write extra. Already implicit conditions are applied. If you want to apply extra conditions, you can apply it. Right now, I'm not interested to apply any extra conditions, guys. @query select. Can you help me? What are the properties? What are the entity properties? Person, phone number. In person class properties are what, guys? Person class. PID, PName, P address. Okay. Select. Keywords are not case sensitive. You know that. P.PID, P.PName, P.PName, P address. P address or address, boss? P address. Yeah, it's a P address. ADRS. Okay. Select P.PID, P.PName, P address. Tell me here. From person P. But here you can write 1 minute. PH dot reg number. PH dot. Not compulsory. You have to select all the properties. You can select your choice properties. What is the next one? Second one, phone num. Phone name. PH dot. Phone name. Provider and type. Provider. PH dot type. PH dot type. From person. from person, yes, inner join ph dot contact details. Array has a property in the phone number class is what, guys? What is the has a property? Contact details. Indirectly, that is pointing to child class. Yes or no? Na? Okay. Right. Array contact details ph. And again alias name. Again alias name. Are you getting my point? So this represent parent table. This represent child table. This represent what? Left side table. This represent right side table. Okay, boss. This is at the rate query. Done, guys. After that, what next? Go to service class. Go to service interface. Here, what is that? Public list object array. Fetch data by joins using parent. Fetch data by joins using parent. There is some method here. Not a issue. Okay. Service IMPL was. Service IMPL. Okay. Return PR repo dot fetch data by parent joins this. Done, boss. Go to runner class. Go to runner class. Array, we cannot use child class directly. Why? We cannot use child class directly because we are in the person page, person repo na, boss. We are in the person repo. Everything should happen in person repo. Okay, with respect to person repo. We are trying to access everything through parent, boss. Through parent, we are accessing child. Okay, it's not ph dot contact details, it is p dot contact details only. Why? Array contact details is the property of person class, Ra Babu. Keep your mind in control and listen the class. Contact details is the property of which class? Parent class. What is parent class alias name? P. So P dot contact details, right? Okay. Now tell me what is that? A runner. This is the runner. You will get list collection with object array, boss. Service dot fetch data by parent dot for each. You are getting list collection, boss. List collection val list collection. Each element is an array. Okay. Okay. Row. There is a row array. This each row represents one array, boss. Agree with me. This each row represents one array. For each row. Okay. Here I am taking what? Object val colon row. Array, this is an array. Again, I am going through that array, boss. System dot out dot print val space. System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Are you comfortable, guys? Are you comfortable, guys? Come on. Service dot fetch data by joins using parent dot for each. Dot for each. Come on, guys. Row object val colon row system dot out dot println val. Association test runner. Run it. I'm printing horizontally. Oh, actually, Previous application executed was. Previous application executed. Leave it here. Actually, no problem. We can run one more time. Spring Boot application. Spring Boot application. Query exception. Could not resolve property of type res number. Okay. Where is person class, guys? What is phone number class? REGNO. REGNO N small letter. I think we have written in uppercase. I think we have written in uppercase. I person repo. Fine, boss. Okay. Mr. Ravikumar, strategy design pattern. You remember interface and implementations. Come on. Strategy design pattern, loose coupling. Everyone, please look at Ravikumar's question. Why we should write service class, service implementation. That is strategy design pattern, boss. Phone number, yes, actually we have taken phone number, N capital letter only, boss. Okay, now listen. Right click, run as Spring Boot application. We take interface implementation classes to achieve loose coupling, my dears. Right now I used inner join. When I used inner join, observe very carefully. I got only common data. Only common data. What is that? Common data. Actually, recently one more set of records are inserted, boss. In the previous execution, again, one more set of common records are inserted. 31. Here is what? 31. 31. Here again, two more records are inserted. Okay, total how many common things are there? 3 common things are there. So, and we are getting 3 common things. Check it out. 31, 30, 29. Come on. Okay. Understood this point? Okay. So because I have taken right join. Okay, fine. Now listen, come here. I take copy of it, paste. I take copy of it and paste. Now tell me here, what is this? P dot inner join, P dot contact details, PH. Instead of inner join, I am using right join. Right join. Okay. Common data plus uncommon data of right side table. Right side table means child table. Child table, what is that? 1020, one extra record will come. Yes, boss. 1020, one extra record will come. Check it out. Yes. See guys. 29, 30, 31, cool. But this is extra. Why null, guys? Array, those properties are not there, na? That's why null. But observe here, right side uncommon data is coming or not coming? Yes, coming. Paste was. But contact details column is not there. Array, contact details is not a column, my dear. That's a property pointing to child table records. So indirectly that property is representing child table. That's the reason I said tables and tables, tables and classes must be in relationship in order to work with SQL joins. Property pointing to child object means child object reference means what? Indirectly it is pointing to child class and child table, right? Yes. Once again, run the runner. Once again, say the runner. Yeah, right side additional data. Sorry, this time left side additional data. Because I have taken what join there. Left join there. You write left outer join also same story. Copy this, paste it. Okay, here I am taking full join, my dear. Here I am taking full join. Association runner. Association test runner was. Full join, check it out. When I say full join, here see, right side additional record, left side additional record. Kema, not Kema. So that means all four joins are working or not working. You're able to work with them happily or not. Okay, I am giving task to you people. You try reverse. Child to parent, you try, guys. I hope you will try child to parent. Can you try child to parent? Okay. Example. Child to parent. Right. Example. Code in repository. Code in iPerson repo. iPerson repo. Repository interface. Code in iPerson repo repository interface. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Anmol, P contact details is the property of parent class holding child class objects, indirectly holding child table records, indirectly representing child table. Indirectly representing child table. I don't know why you are so much thinking about it. Okay, people are worried about this part. P dot contact details. What it is holds, guys? Being from parent class, it holds child class object. Child class object holds what, guys? Child table record. So indirectly it is not representing child table. So that means right side table is what? Child table. Okay, this is representing what? Parent class. Parent class objects, parent class. Indirectly parent table. So it is left side table is parent table. Indirectly we are representing child table. Sir, I will give child class directly, not going to work out. Okay, guys. Govardhan Reddy, Govardhan Reddy, to work with SQL joins, tables need not be in relationship. But to work with HQL joins, tables must be in relationship. Okay, if tables are not there in relation, but still you want to apply joins, go for native SQL. Go for native SQL. I don't know whether you are active or not. In SQL to work with joins, the two tables need not to be in relationship. Whereas in HQL or JPQL, the two DB tables need to be in relationship to apply joins. To apply joins. I already highlighted that, right? Okay. I already highlighted that. I know you'll ask this kind of question. Yes, guys. This is repository interface, boss. Okay. This is repository interface, boss. Yeah. Next one. Code in service interface. Code in service interface. Code in service interface. Yes. Code in service IMPL class. Code in service IMPL class. I'll push the code, don't worry. Code in service IMPL class. Code in runner class, guys. Code in runner class. Code in runner class. Yes, boss. Let me commit the code also. I think yesterday one is also not pushed, boss. Let me push both. Team. I think that is this has to be committed. This has to be committed. Okay. What is this association mapping? Association mapping. Okay. Association mapping. Save and push, guys. Team, share project, done, finish. Okay, guys. Tell me. HQLR JPQL joins. HQLR JPQL joins. Okay, guys. JPQL boss. Now listen. Don't type the messages now. Yes, Agile workshop meeting ID, and this is the password. Save this meeting ID, guys. Save this meeting ID. In future, any workshop of mine will happen in this meeting ID and password. So title may change, but this is going to be meeting ID for all workshops that are going to happen in future. Docker, Jenkins, okay, Jira. So whatever workshops I'm going to conduct, all the workshops are going to happen this one only. This is a fixed meeting ID. Title will change, but meeting ID and password is fixed. Clear, guys? Tomorrow 10 a.m. we have a Agile workshop. Okay. Not only I speak. Okay. Not only I speak. I'm inviting your senior student, my old student. Okay, who is acting as a project manager for 20 members team. For 20 members team. Come on, guys. So he is going to share his ideas towards what? Agile. Okay, and you can watch my video also. Okay, even my video is there. My Agile knowledge video is already there in the workshop. In the YouTube channel, my agile video is already there, right? Okay. So my knowledge will be shared. Okay, I'm inviting some like this. I'll invite lot of working people once on weekends, boss. Okay. So don't miss that session. And he was like you, I think in 10 years back. He was like you 10 years back. Okay, now he has become project manager, drawing the package of 35 lakhs. So like this, I will call a lot of your old students, senior students that not only inspires, motivate you, and that also gives to see subject in multiple angles. Okay, na? To see subject in multiple angles, guys. Okay. Should I call working experts? My old students are my colleagues. Sometimes I call my colleagues also. Ex-colleagues, current colleagues. Should I call? Okay. Especially main subject I will teach this kind of workshops. This kind of workshops I will definitely. I will try to give views of multiple people, boss. Right. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. Yes.